Hey boys and girls, thanks for joining today's video. Today we're going to cover the topic of counter steer. It's going to be a quick one, it's a quick topic, it's an easy answer. So if that interests you, stick about. We're going to go through it in a couple of minutes and you can be on your merry way to go and have a beer. Okay, counter steering. Now, if you're on this video, you're probably wondering what the hell that means. And on a motorbike, counter steering is essentially turning right to go left, or vice versa, turning left to go right. Now, that still might not make any sense to you, but let me elaborate, and I'll do a practical demonstration for your eyes to behold. So, on a motorcycle, when I turn the bar, when I'm going a certain speed, obviously counter steering only works at a certain speed. You can't do it when you're doing like 3 miles an hour. This sort of speed, doing 45 miles an hour, I can counter steer. So I'm going to push on this bar. You see, the bike drops away from me and goes left. Yes, you see. I hope that is, the more I push, the more it drops away from me. So in the practical demonstration upcoming, I will be turning the steering wheel initially. Steering wheel, what am I saying? I'll be pushing on the bar from the left and pulling from the right. You see? My bum is central in the seat. And now we should do the same. You see? And essentially, that's all counter steering is. I'm just pushing on the bar, the bike drops away. Now that's due to when you turn the bars, the bike is going on the edge of the tyre. So look, turn and it drops away. It's a super handy little thing to be aware of if you're not already aware of it. I think most bikers do it without even thinking about it, to be honest. But it's good to turn quickly, so if I wanted to do a rapid turn, you see how quick it is, rather than just leaning where it's more like sloppy Joe. So I hope that quick demonstration explained to you what counter steering is. If you found this video very helpful, which I hope you did, please press the subscribe button and hit the like button too. It helped me out greatly. For now, take care, see you in the next one.